October 15th, 2018, and we are getting ready to harvest some more corn. Just getting the trucks unloaded from yesterday. I'm going to be down on the farms closer to my house now, so I'm with the A team today, or first string. So I must have done something right. I got moved back up to the first string team. So I don't know if that's good or bad, but I'm working closer to home. I'm only about a mile from my house right now as the crow flies. And anyhow, got a little bit of mist in the air right now, but it's supposed to clear off. I'm gonna run over and do a couple things with the grain cart tractor. I got some cameras to put on it and so forth, so I'm gonna run over and do that and bring you some harvest action. Okay, there's about 200 acres in this field total. This field has quarter-mile long rows, half-mile long rows, and 1 mile long rows. So they just got this field busted open yesterday. So first things first, let's check the oil. A little bit low, but it's still in the range, so I'll wipe it off here and recheck. Yep, probably better add some. Okay, it is plenty wet out here. Like I said, it rained a little bit, as you can see there. Yeah, looks like they run her over a little bit yesterday. So I got these Halo View or Halo View cams. The company sent me, they contacted me through my YouTube channel and on Gmail and said they'd like to send me a camera to try out. So it come with a monitor and one screen, so I put the one camera right up there. These are wireless cameras, so right now I got it there so we can see in the semi. And here's the monitor, and you may have seen that in some of my earlier videos, but anyhow, this can hold up to 4 different cameras. So I ordered 2 more cameras off of Amazon to go on this Halo View, and they're wireless, but you just got to have power to them to turn the camera on, and then they'll sync wirelessly. So I'm going to put one on the back of the grain cart, because when you're going down the road with the mirrors out, it's all you can do to see behind you. So I'm going to put a camera back there, and then I'm also going to mount one, since this is wireless, I'm going to put one on the auger of the combine, hoping that it'll transmit the signal to the tractor when you're running alongside it. A lot of times, if the combine operator fills the front of the grain cart, you look through the window back there and you think the cart's full when it's actually not, and you run back to the truck and it's not full, whatever, or you got to climb up there and look. And just to save time, if this works out like I think it's going to, this will be pretty cool. Then I can see in the grain cart from the combine operator's view. So we're going to give this a whirl. It's like I said, a little bit wet here this morning, so I think we got some time. So I am going to work on this. Okay, so it's about 3:30, and you can see the sun didn't come out. It's cloudy, but I've had a nice breeze, and it's not too wet out here. A little bit of mud sticking to the tires, but we're not really cutting in to speak of, so we're just getting started here. Not planning on a real big day today. Like I said earlier, this is a 200-acre field roughly combined, and we are over here, what's going to be the mile-long rows that go from road to road, and the other end is not opened up yet. So we're going to run down there, and we're going to get that end opened up and have everything ready to go, and then calling for sunshine the next 2 days. And with everything opened up, we're just going to go like crazy. At least that's the plan. Of course, as you know, that can always change on the farm. So if it does, you will find out on here. Busting this field open. So how about a topic, since today's video may be a little short, since we don't have a real big day planned here and we got a late start. When you are running grain cart, do you leave your auger out all the time, or do you swing it in and fold it every time you unload into the truck? Normally we leave it out all the time, but I fold it in when we're opening up a field and so forth, just especially if there's trees, fence line, power lines, that sort of thing. So maybe I should read the operator's manual and see what it says. Anyways, comment below, tell us what you think. This one's gonna be tight. Just making it here without running any corn down, but he gets a little bit off and can get these end rows peeled off, and then we'll have a spot. Okay, I got a full load on the grain cart now, and end rows are done at the other end now. So this mile long part here, we're going to split it down the middle. That way when we get going in it, auger's always out on the combine, the grain cart can get to it. So I really hustled 2 years ago when there was corn in here, running the grain cart on these long rows. Keeps a guy really going, especially in good corn.
I got the one camera mounted on the back of the grain cart this morning, and I had to make up a harness and stuff, so it took a little longer than I expected. So I'm just testing it out here. So you can see the combine coming up behind me. Now it's going beside me. So it's going to be real nice when we go up and down the roads, and you'll be able to see the traffic behind you. So looking forward to that, and hopefully tomorrow morning before we get started, I can get the wireless camera up on the combine auger so I can see in the grain cart. Anyways, that's all I got for today, so stay tuned, and I'll try to get another harvest video up tomorrow.